Welcome to Hasni Kids Learning.
Hello kids, clap your hands, stamp your feet and make a stand. We will sing and count today, from 1 to 10, hip hip hooray. Are you ready? Yes we are. Let's begin, shout near and far. 1, 2, 3, come and count with me. Number 1, I am Benny, big and brown. I have one hat in the town. Count with me, just 1 today. 1 finger up, hooray, hooray. 1, 1, 1, counting numbers is so fun. Number 2, hello friends, I'm Lily too. I have 2 shoes, red and blue. Clap your hands and count with me. 1 and 2, easy to see. 2, 2, 2, let's all count like Lily do. Number 3, I'm a monkey jumping free. I have 3 bananas, see. Jump and count along this song. 1, 2, 3, sing along. 3, 3, 3, counting makes us happy. Number 4, slow and steady, that is me. I have 4 legs, count and see. Step by step, count once more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, 4, 4, let us count a little more. Number 5, beep beep boop, I'm Robo-Ray. 5 bright buttons on display. Count your fingers 1 by 1. 5 is learning, 5 is fun. 5, 5, 5, counting numbers come alive. Number 6, 6 balloons up in the sky, floating, floating way up high. Count together, sing the trick. 1 to 6, count it quick. 6, 6, 6. Numbers counting super quick. Number 7, 7 stars shine bright at night. Twinkle, twinkle, what a sight. Look up high and count with me. 1 to 7, happily. 7, 7, 7 stars are shining up in heaven. Number 8, 8 fish swimming left and right, dancing in the water bright. Move your arms and count with me. 8 is great, you will see. 8, 8, 8, learning numbers feel so great. Number 9, 9 flowers in a line, soft and pretty, oh so fine. Count them slowly, nice and kind. 9 is gentle for the mind. 9, 9, 9, you are doing very fine. Number 10, 10 loud drums go boom, boom, boom. Dance together round the room. Stomp your feet and count again. We did it all the way to 10, 10, 10, 10.